Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen. So today I want us to start off our analysis with the chart on our screen. We are going to start off with the Euro USD. On this chart so far, we have a very good support level. We had a very good support level here. So this level was previously a very good resistance. You can see we had a resistance here. There was this massive break to the upper side. The price pulled back to the same zone. We had a support, we had a support, we had a support, we had a support. If the price can move down and touch these two lines, then this should give us the best place to look for a buy from. So the idea here is to watch for buy positions. If the price moves down and touches this line, this should give us a good place to look for a buy from. We will be expecting the buyers to come in strongly from within these two lines and then push us upwards up to this line, this level here. If this level is broken, then we expect the price to continue upwards up to my next level, which is this one. So technically speaking, if the price can move down and touch this line, this will be the best place to look for a buy from. We will expect the buyers to push us upwards with the next target at this price. If this is broken, we expect the price to continue upwards up to the next level, which is this one here. And if the price continues and goes beyond this level, then we do expect the buyers to continue to push us even higher. So that's my opinion on that chart. The other chart is GBP USD. With the GBP USD so far, we are having a very good level here. We have a very good support level here. This is actually a zone, like a shape information. So we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a support, we have a support. If the price can move down and touch this lower line, this should give us the best place to look for a buy from. But if the price descends below it, that is, if it ends up going down and touching this lower line, then this can as well be a good place to look for a buy from. In case the price descends below this level, then that will be a sign that we are now continuing to the lower side. But basically, along this trend line is a good place to look for a buy from, and along this level here is also a good place to look for a buy from. My next chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. So with the US dollar Japanese yen so far, we are having a very good resistance level here. We have a very good resistance. If the price can ascend and close clearly above 151.657, then we want to wait for a retracement back towards the same level to push the price to the opposite. So if the price goes up and retraces back down and touches this line, this should be a good place to look for a buy from. My other chart is gold. On gold so far, I want us to attach an indicator. We're going to attach the break of structure indicator. So this is a custom indicator. We build it on our own. On this chart, based on this indicator we are having, these are the levels we are focusing on. So you can see that we've just had a very good support, which has just been broken to the lower side. We were expecting that the price is going to continue to push us to the upper side, but that has not happened. Instead, the price is on the lower side. So technically speaking, if the price can form two other candles and then those candles ends up breaking and closing below this line 1933.54, then that will be a good sign that we are now continuing to the lower side, and we may see the price extend much lower after breaking below this line, at least up to this point. We also have another level here, so 1888.57, that's a good level. We have another level here. So when the price goes below this line, expect it to continue downwards up to the next line, which is 1888.57. If this is broken, then expect it to continue much lower towards this level here. So that is my opinion on that chart. The other chart which I'd like us to have a look at, I want us to look at the Nasdaq. So Nasdaq, so far we've had several resistance zones. We have a very good resistance here. We have a very good resistance. So we have like this is a very good resistance. We have a very good resistance. We have a very good resistance. We have a resistance, and we have a very good support here. Wait a second. So we have a very good support here. Then we have a support, we have a support, and we have a support here. So as it is right now on this chart, it looks like the price has descended below a very good support zone. We have a very good support zone here. At the same time, we have a very good zone here, a support zone. So if you don't pick a sell within these two red lines, then expect a break and a close below this line, 14038.5. If the price descends and closes below 14038.5, below this level, then expect it to extend downwards towards the next level, which is this one here, 13103.8. So a bounce from this point will take price downwards up to around 13882.7. If the price goes below that level, the next target is 13103.8. So from this point up to this target, if this is broken, the next target is this one here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.